Hello, Team Easy Dating Coach. Today's topic, what do men really want? Yes. Okay, before we start talking about this, I want you to hop in my profile information down here on YouTube. I have so much free content and so many awesome giveaways. So go down there and start clicking away and get those things. Those are my best pieces of work and they're all free. So go get them. And guys, I do this video every Tuesday, so don't forget to subscribe and hit like and all that fun stuff. Now, let's get to this. What do men really want? And we always talk about it, happy wife, happy life. And men really want to make the woman he cares about happy. And women are always confused by this. They're like, what? He just wants to make me happy? And people that haven't been in good relationships are maybe a little confounded by this idea. But it's totally true. And let me explain why. Men want women to be happy because when a woman is happy, it's really explaining a lot more than just her happiness. For a man to accomplish this goal, there's a lot of traits that he probably has to accomplish this. One, he's trustworthy. He's reliable. He does what he says. He's going to be caring. He's going to be empathetic. He'll be able to listen to you. He'll just be an all-around good person. He'll treat your friends well, your family well. He'll show up to things on time. The list goes on as to why you're happy. You're happy because he is a good version of himself. So that's exciting. Now, more so than you being happy, especially 5 love languages, I love words of appreciation, and I'm pretty sure most men do, is what men really want. Not only are you being happy, but you spreading the word. And let me tell you what I mean by that. Spreading the word means we want our compliments. And first off, at a 10,000 foot level, we want it to ourselves. So that means, man, this date was so amazing. I'm having so much fun. Or even if you're walking in the park, oh, it's so beautiful. I'm having the best time ever. Well, if your woman's not happy, she can't be having the best time ever. So if she's happy and she can give you these compliments, that's fantastic. But what's the next level? The next level of that is, yes, it's great to give your man compliments. But if you are so happy in the relationship that you are telling your friends, your family, everyone you come in contact that you're happy in the relationship, well, that's a really good sign. And in an authentic way, not you're, just trying to blow smoke up everyone to say, oh, look at me, my relationship's great when it's not. But genuine, authentic, my relationship's amazing, where you say, oh, Mike is such a great guy. Even when he is away from me, he's always taking care of me. He's always checking in. He calls. He takes me on wonderful dates. He just got me flowers. He's so romantic. He's always thinking of me. So then being able to say that stuff, and then sometimes having the man around to hear it when maybe you're in a group and saying, Mike's so fantastic. Like, he treats me well and this is what he does. Blah, blah, blah. He's going to love that. Because when you are sharing how great he is, that's showing that you are truly happy and that he's been a successful boyfriend, husband, fiance, whatever he is. And that's going to make him really happy. So that's really special. And so that's some stuff you can do. So in the early stages of dating, it starts with, man, this date's so much fun, or I had the best salmon. And remember, in past videos, men take credit for the date. So if he plans it and you say, I love this salmon, this is the best salmon of my life, it's as if he cooked the thing. So remember that. This is another video, but compliments about how you're feeling, like how much fun the date is, that's the best thing you can give him. But then when we go next level, even above that, once you're in a relationship, is telling friends, family how fantastic he is and using stories. And especially if that comes back to him somehow, maybe your friend is like, wow, your wife was telling me about X and great job, or your girlfriend or fiance, whatever. So that is beautiful, and that's going to make your guy light up and feel amazing and just want to be around you because he knows he's being the best version of himself and really giving you value, and it makes him feel amazing. Amazing to be around you because he knows he's being a great person. So that's it. That's cool stuff. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, share this to your friends. I love all of you. We will see you next Tuesday. Bye, guys.